Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming hardware and preparing the system. Use TPM, MSC, or Device Manager to verify TPM is present and shows specification 2.0. This matters because Windows 10 requires TPM 2.0 for some security features. Next, check system information for secure boot state and BIOS mode. You need UEFI. While you're here, back up user data and install Windows updates so firmware changes don't collide with pending patches. Once done, reboot to enter UEFI/BIOS settings. You'll now change firmware settings to turn on TPM and Secure Boot. Reboot and press your board's UEFI key to open settings. In security or advanced sections, enable TPM. On Intel, this may be called PTT, on AMD FTPM, and avoid clearing it unless you understand consequences. Then go to Boot, switch Secure Boot from disabled to enabled, and confirm platform mode is standard. If your system was in legacy boot, convert to UEFI/GPT first, otherwise enabling Secure Boot will fail. Save and reboot to apply. You finish by verifying the changes inside Windows. Run TPM, MSC to confirm TPM is ready and shows specification 2.0, then run msinfo32 and check Secure Boot state reads on. If you need BitLocker, turn it on now so keys are tied to TPM. If Secure Boot isn't available, update the firmware first. If that still fails, some older motherboards lack the feature. One troubleshooting tip: if your disk was MBR, convert to GPT with MBR2 GPT or restore from backup, because Secure Boot requires UEFI/GPT.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.